are three major changes that are coming to Monday. They're all surrounding AI. These three different things are already in development, and some users are already able to start playing with them and testing them out. I want to give you a sneak peek into these three different tools that you can now use within Monday. And trust me, it will forever change the way that you're using the platform.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simple Day. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
The first tool that we're going to jump into is Monday Magic. Currently, Monday Magic is in the alpha version, which means that it's still being built. Just seeing it in the alpha version, it's so cool. I think that you're going to see that over time, there's going to be a lot more features that are developed, and it's going to become a really, really powerful tool for you to use. But essentially what Monday Magic does is it allows you to enter a prompt and it will make a suggestion to build out boards, dashboards, and a whole workflow for you. So first, it will explain what its reasoning is, why it did it, why it suggested what it suggested for your boards. Then it actually automatically creates a video explaining how these boards work. And then you can actually have it built within your workspace. So let's jump into an example. Here you can see I created a prompt saying that I am an ops lead managing internal and external events. I want to plan venues, assign different roles, track RSVPs, and keep vendors and teams aligned. Now you can see here, as the prompt ran, it gave me the reasoning about why it built it out. And here's the whole reasoning. I'm not going to go through all the details. Then it built a solution. Then what it did is it actually created this video explaining what the solution was and why it created it and how it works, which is just really cool. So technically you can use this as an SP showing your team, okay, we built this out and this is how it works. If you want to make changes, you can always come in here and make changes. But here you can see the details of everything that happens. I have a preview of it over here so I can jump between different boards. Like here's the dashboards that I created. Here's a board about vendor management, another dashboard, all different information that it's created. I also can click on solution overview. And what this does is it explains the backgrounds and the thinking behind the AI. So here it talks about personas, different features, the user flow, building blocks, all of this information, and I can easily sort through the different ones and I can download it, which is really cool because again, you have it as an SOP. Now, assuming that this is a solution that I like, I then can just click on this button, create solution, and it's going to automatically create the solution within my Monday.com boards. Honestly, this will save you hours of time. You can tell Monday what you need, and then it will go build it. The next tool that I want to share with you is Monday MCP. What Monday MCP is it basically connects your AI agent like Claude or Cursor directly to Monday. And you can do things within your AI agent that directly affect certain boards. In this example, you can see that we have a social media ideas board. And I'm using Claude to help me come up with ideas for different social media posts. Now, I'm going to jump into Claude and add in my prompt. So I'm going to say, please add 2 more social media posts that I can use for our social media channels. Here's the board where I want them to be added to, and they should be about how Monday.com can help my company be more efficient. So let's click this button and see what happens. First, Claude's going to think about it a little bit. It's actually going to read the board and understands the board schema. So here you could tell me it's getting the board schema. It's checking what posts I already have on the board because it's going to give me something new. And now it's saying that it can see all of the items. And now it's creating an item. So here you can see the different steps that it's taking. And as you can see right now, we have 4 items. Oh, it just added this 5th one. And here we could see that it talks about when 5 teams need to work together. Chaos usually wins until now. Again, this is exactly what I want Claude to write about, something that has to do with being more efficient. Now, obviously, the better prompt you write and the more details you give, like who's giving it, the context, whatever details you need, it can make those changes on the board. This is just one example of how you can use the Monday MCP. I think there's a lot that you could be done. Like it's just up to your imagination. Like what can you add to this? But some of the things that you could do is you could build boards, you could build columns, you can have it even do automations for you. Like if review my board and if there's any completed tasks, move them to a completed group. You can have it give you data to understand the details on your board. So I highly recommend connecting with the Monday MCP, and you'll see what type of things you can use your AI agent to affect your Monday.com account. The last tool that I want to jump into is something called Monday Sidekick. I actually don't even have access to it. I've just seen some videos about it. So I'm just going to explain to you what it is. Basically, on each item within a board, there's going to be a little star that looks like this. And you can click on that star and it basically can do anything for you. You can ask it to do something. So let's say, for example, you need help booking a ticket to a conference. Your task is book a ticket. So you can click on the Monday Sidekick and it will open up a pane on the side where you can then chat and say, I need to book a ticket for this person going to this place on this dates. Can you help me find some options? So can find those options. Then you can ask it, okay, now create this in an email so that way I can send it to my boss, or give me more information about it. So all within the Monday board, you can have AI do whatever you want. It can brainstorm, it could research, it could find information, it can analyze things, it could plan for you, create emails. It can do so much, and it's right from the click of an item on your board. Pretty easy. In this video, we've discussed 3 major changes that are happening to Monday.com with AI. If you want to learn more about these changes, click on the link above so that way you can do a deep dive into these different tools.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.